Hey guys, Leia here from Unbox, live from Barcelona, Spain. The three guys have been here for a while, but I just arrived and the cold is real. You know, since I got here, one of the things people have been talking about are the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, and the attention is definitely well deserved. I leave links in the description down below for John's in-depth hands-on articles about the two phones, but for now, let's talk about our favorite things about it. First has to do with the fingerprint scanner placement. The Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus looks pretty much like the previous flagship models, but Samsung definitely nailed this one on the head. It shouldn't be a big deal, but since the placement for the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus were quite weird to say the least, we're glad to say that we can finally put that chapter behind us. No more accidental smudges on the cameras for these new phones. Numero dos. The lilac purple color variant is absolutely gorgeous. While we normally don't make a fuss about color variants, this one is really hard to ignore. I mean, even the guys of Unbox thinks it's really nice. So while it still boils down to preference and many may still go with a black color, I would proudly use this one. Third on our list would be the cameras. Samsung has always done a great job with the cameras of their flagship devices, and the same can be said about their new Galaxy smartphones. The S9 has a single camera and the S9 Plus has a dual camera setup, but both of them have variable apertures at f2.4 and f1.5, so you can get the best results in different lighting situations. Of course, we also have to talk about Samsung's answer to Apple's Emojis, the AR emojis. It's essentially the same concept, but Samsung does get a bit of an edge here because you can send the AR emojis via Facebook Messenger or any messaging app for that matter. You can also create an avatar of yourself, although it can be a bit of a hit or miss, but hey, we'll take it. Last on our list are the internals. No surprises here, Samsung is rocking the latest flagship processors for 2018. In the Philippines, we'll be getting the Exynos 9810, while our friends from the Western Hemisphere will be getting the Snapdragon 845. So that should be enough power for even the heaviest user. We'll have the full review up soon, so stay tuned. And that's about it for our favorite things about the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell. For the latest news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph. So guys, I gotta wrap up this video. I am really freezing out here, so bye! I'll see you next time!